Hi, this is Lisa with Aquatic Animals. Right now I am filming the house finch birds. They're eating out of the basket. I just put a plate over it, the hanging basket, to see what they would do. And they love it. Sometimes the big birds knock them out, but they come back. Once again, I'm in Indiana, and we're just getting through a winter storm. We had about 9 to 10 inches of snow, so I wanted to feed the birds and help them out. This is in my backyard. Check out my channel, Lisa Mac 44. Lisa Aquatic Animals, but I do have some other types of animals as well. They really love the food in this hanging basket. I just put a plate over the hanging basket and put some food in there. Have a bunch of house finch. Check out my YouTube channel, Lisa Mac 44. Peace and love. Bye.